Tired of low webinar attendance? We're about to supercharge your sign-up rates with automated reminders. In this 90-second tutorial, we'll show you how to use Pably Connect to automatically send webinar reminders through Wati, ensuring your audience is informed and engaged. First, log into your Pably Connect account if you don't have one. Sign up for a free trial. The link is in the description below. Click on the Create Workflow button and give your workflow a descriptive name, like Webinar Reminder Automation. Now, let's set up our trigger. Choose the app where you collect your webinar registrations. For example, if you're using Google Sheets, select Google Sheets as your trigger app. You would then select the correct spreadsheet and trigger event, usually new spreadsheet row. Next, configure the trigger to fetch the necessary data, such as attendee names, email addresses, and webinar dates and times. Pably Connect will guide you through connecting your account and mapping the relevant fields. Now for the action. Search for and select Wati as your action app. Choose the Send Template Message action. This allows you to send pre-approved message templates directly through WhatsApp. Connect your Wati account to Pably Connect. You'll need your API endpoint and access token from your Wati account. Next, map the data fields from your trigger app to the corresponding fields in your Wati template message. For example, map the attendee's phone number to the recipient field and the webinar date and time to the relevant placeholders in your message template. Make sure your Wati template message is clear, concise, and includes all essential webinar details, like the topic, date, time, and a link to join. Before activating your workflow, test the integration by sending a test message. This ensures everything is set up correctly. If the test is successful, activate your workflow. Pably Connect will now automatically send webinar reminders through Wati, boosting your attendance rates. That's it. With Pably Connect and Wati, you can automate your webinar reminders and maximize attendance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more automation tips. #Wati Webinar #Pably Automation.